What happens if you ignore a cavity? Most people ignore early signs of tooth decay because the pain feels small or temporary. But here is what actually happens inside your tooth when you delay cavity treatment, and why waiting can turn a simple dental visit into a serious dental emergency. This is real dentistry, real oral health science, and a real look at the progression every cavity follows when it's left untreated. A cavity begins as a microscopic area of enamel breakdown caused by acids and bacteria. At this stage, cavity removal is incredibly simple. But if tooth decay continues, the enamel softens and breaks open. This allows bacteria to enter the dentine, a much softer layer. Once decay reaches the dentine, the cavity spreads rapidly. This is when many people start noticing tooth sensitivity to cold, heat, or sweets, a warning sign that should never be ignored. Inside the tooth, a destructive chain reaction begins. As bacteria move deeper, the cavity expands into a large, hollow space. The decay reaches the pulp chamber, where the nerve and blood vessels live. This is when the pain becomes intense, often sharp and throbbing. Without proper dental care, inflammation builds pressure inside the tooth, causing pulpitis and tissue damage. If the infection spreads further, the tooth may require root canal treatment to prevent the infection from spreading into the jawbone. In severe cases, the tooth is too damaged to restore and must be extracted. All of this begins with a small cavity that could have been treated with a simple dental filling. This entire progression is exactly what dentists aim to prevent during regular dental checkups. If this detailed 3D animation helps you understand the real danger of untreated tooth decay, make sure to subscribe and share your own dental story in the comments. Your support helps educational dental content reach more people. And send this video to someone who keeps postponing their dental visit. It might save their tooth. Cavity treatment doesn't just protect your smile. Early cavity removal prevents tooth sensitivity, protects oral health, avoids painful dental procedures, and dramatically lowers the risk of needing a root canal. Whether you live in the United States or Canada, preventative dental care is the most effective way to maintain healthy teeth and avoid advanced dental procedures. Ignoring tooth decay doesn't make it disappear. It makes the problem grow silently until it becomes impossible to ignore. The sooner you treat a cavity, the easier, safer, and more comfortable the dental procedure will be. Understanding the full progression of untreated tooth decay is the first step toward protecting your oral health for life.